What is going down, people? It's your boy Mac in the garage with Romeo and Larry. Just doing some quick changes to T'Challa. As you guys know, I wanted to go back to stock gearing on this bike. That's exactly what I'm doing. I have my 40-tooth sprocket right here, 41-tooth sprocket, I'm sorry, here that I'm actually going to be putting back onto the bike. As well, too, I've got some velocity stacks that I'm also adding to this bike as well too. So gonna be doing some testing here. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do it against Larry's S1K because we don't know where I stand with it, but Solly will be a good person for me to test against because we can pretty much see the outcomes of what happened between Solly and I in Miami. So hopefully we get to see, you know, how much gains it will be, well, how much benefit it'll be with these changes coming up on T'Challa. So sprocket change, added some V-stacks. I also have the AFR file that I need for these V-stacks to run as well as they should be. I'm probably still gonna need a dyno tune, but I have a file that should be sufficient enough just for right now. So we're gonna see these changes, man, and we're definitely going to put this bike up against Larry's bike, which he has not named as of yet, but we will get a name going for that pretty soon, I'm sure, right? He's not too enthusiastic about it, but we'll get it going, man. But yeah, let's get back onto these updates, and we're also going to do some testing, man. Making some progress. Got the 41 tooth sprocket back on there, and now we're moving on to breaking down this bike so we can get this tank off, so we can start getting into the airbox to get those V stacks in there. So let's get it. Some progress here. Almost got these stock stacks out, and just gotta assemble the new ones, slide these bad boys in. Got the MPT stacks in there. Getting it bolted down. You guys can see the differences between the stock ones, which is here, versus the Nick Performance tuning ones. Time to do some testing, but I gotta get the AFR file uploaded to the Power Commander before I even mess around at all. YouTube, what is going down? We are back, and it was a couple days since I was last in this garage, but we got T'Challa all done up here. Definitely was able to change that sprocket back to its stock setting here. And guys, don't worry about the tires. I know a lot of people have been asking me about it. The tip of the driveway is really muddy, so getting in here sometimes gets the tires on there. But we got the 41 tooth sprocket back on here, and now since I put in those velocity stacks, I have to adjust the AFR. Don't have a dyno tune here as of yet, but my good buddy K1K, definitely give him a follow on Instagram and on YouTube. Has the same exact bike as I do. He has the KRT edition actually, but he has the same mods that I do. So he sent me his file from his Power Commander, and it's probably still going to be a little bit off. It probably still has to be manually adjusted, but it's probably going to give me something the closest that I could get to right now without having, you know, a professional dyno tuner adjusting the AFR. But he sent me over the file. I uploaded that file from my computer up into my bike. As you guys can see, the laptop is all connected up to here into the Power Commander. So that's all done. Now it's just time to go test it out, man. See how it feels. Waiting for Larry to come home and go out and do some testing and to see how T'Challa feels. I know a lot of these people are subjective with the Nick Performance tuning stacks, but I'm just going to see what they do for me for right now. If I don't like it, I'm definitely going to probably sell those and go with Moto Max. But we'll see how it goes, man. Supposedly the NPT stacks are more geared towards mid-range, and the Moto Max stacks, or the 16 through 18 ZX10R velocity stacks, are more geared towards top end. But we'll see how it goes, man. I'm about to go ahead and do some testing, and we'll see how it goes, man. We'll be back in a sec. All right, we finally ready to roll. This guy Larry takes forever, but we did want to wash the bikes real quick, and I am appreciative of it because T'Challa looks real good. I'm excited to get this testing going, man. The sprocket is back to normal, and the stacks, I gotta set up the stacks. And it's crazy too, because when I'm in the city, when I have my 42 sprocket, I didn't feel the same acceleration that I would like from a standstill or getting around cars or something like that. So it's gonna be good having that 41 tooth sprocket back, but I'm gonna have to get used to everything all over again. not sure if we'll get any testing done. The sun is going down, ground is getting cold, and the temperature is dropping as well too. I think we just got out here a little bit too late. Let's see what we get into, but there's definitely no guarantees. Guy put on his straps today and got this thing sitting a little bit lower than usual. If we do some pulls, I'm definitely gonna strap it down, but either way, man, I gotta get used to this 41 tooth sprocket on the back, because Charlie pulls differently. Darren pulled up with the Reserva mirrors on here. It's real sleek. It's real mean. Demon time. Demon time. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can do some pulls, man. No guarantees. I hope we can, because I definitely do want to test out these stacks and this sprocket setup and see how much improvement it makes. So let's see if we can do this, people.
saddle up and get back. Didn't do as much testing as I wanted to today because we got out a little bit too late and it got dark pretty fast, but we got plenty of time for testing. Plenty of time. More than anything, is to make sure the stacks, you know, in the PC5, the new cells in the PC5 didn't really make the bike, you know, sputter or anything like that. It still feels smooth. Like I said a million times, it probably still needs to be updated as well too. It's probably still some fine tuning needed to be left to do it, but it feels okay for right now. So that's a good thing. It's a good thing. And on top of that too, I will be going and getting the Willis Flash. So around that time, I decided, you know, if I want to keep these NPT stacks, or if I want to go for Monomax or the 16, 18 stacks, that's gonna be like another change, man. You definitely want to see, you know, how much of a difference that Willis Flash makes with this bike, so we can, you know, really tell what's the best flash for the Gen 6 currently. But yeah, man, I'm gonna leave you guys off with this view right here because this is absolutely beautiful. Another gorgeous view in New York City. And we're gonna wait for some more nice weather to do some more riding because this guy has this bike and we need to do some more riding. I'm gonna get some more things for the child too. We're gonna get it popping, y'all. So guys, I will see you guys in the next episode, people. Ride safe and peace out, guys.